I'd like to review some energy stocks. First, let's talk about CLR. I made some videos with some energy stocks last couple of days. Let's review them real quick. Over here, we can see that price came down to our planned 3-price relationship. Since then, it got up above that 200 moving average on the hourly chart, and that was our entry to go long. From here, continue to move to the upside. So it's got to follow through on our trading plan day in and day out. Jumping on to the next one, we got ConocoPhillips COP. Over here, we had a very similar chart pattern as well. Shallow pullback right around 85 from here. Jumping on the hourly chart. Also got up above that 200 moving average from here. Also provided a trigger to go long on the 15-minute time frame. So that's your trigger to go long on COP. Same thing over here. You should be profit taking at these levels. If I were to do a fib extension, clicking from that pivot high to pivot low, we already hit our 113, 1272 extensions. So you want to be taking your profits when markets are running to the upside like this. This is not the place to accumulate. This is not the place to buy. You just want to be taking your profits. If you're not in this chart when it's down here, you want to wait for the next cycle. Talk about another energy stock. We got ExxonMobil. That was in our review yesterday. Taking a quick look at here, it also started to bounce off that support area as well. I also like this chart simply because it's already above that 200 moving average on the hourly chart. Now there was also another one I didn't mention, but you can't catch them all. So over here, right here, you got a nice pullback right to about 37 and some change for OXY. On the hourly chart, you can see this is a much cleaner chart because it pulled back and it never broke below that 200 moving average on the hourly chart. So I definitely like this chart a lot better. You got to kind of just pick your spots one at a time and kind of go from decision to decision. Oil futures real quick. So on the daily chart, very strong move to the upside right now. Crude oil trading above 110. On the hourly chart, also trading nicely above all moving averages. If we're waiting for a pullback in oil, we may have a deeper pullback such as ones like this, or a shallower pullback like we've experienced ones over here. So I'm going to click from that pivot high, pivot low, pivot high to kind of think about and plan the next steps. Because if you want to buy oil, you don't want to be chasing up here. Okay, this is where a lot of people, they see the hype. You always want to look for the next set of pullbacks. Just like right now, it's not the time to buy and go long with OXY. There may be a couple more upsides to this as well, a couple more days of upside, but you don't want to be buying into the strength. You want to wait for the next pullback. On the 15-minute time frame, just taking a quick look. Right now it's trading kind of flat. But whatever you do, you got to have your trading place in place, clarity, commitment, and composure. If you'd like to learn how to find high probability setups using Fibonacci analysis, check out my course in the descriptions below. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, subscribe now. Hit that notification button. Our first goal is 1,000 subs. We go over cryptocurrencies as well as US equities. Love to hear from you in the comments area. Talk to you soon.